couldn't tie my shoes last week. Now I loop and pull with a little sneak. Learning takes some time, it's true, but look at